What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another video. Man, y'all hear that thing in the background, man? Listen. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. That's your boy Jay Spikes, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell, make it turn gray so you won't miss anything your boy got coming to you, man. And man, if you like the content or any of the content that I ever dropped on this channel, man, just leave your boy a thumbs up, man. It's free. It don't take no time. It don't take no energy. It's just out of the kindness of your heart, man. All it do is help with the monetization of my channel, man. But anyway, man, everybody been asking about the OBS Chevy, man. I got something for y'all today. I'm at the car wash. I'm gonna give y'all an update on the truck, plans, or whatever you. I'm gonna answer all the questions you need to know, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I got the truck out. It's been a while. All this thing do is sit up. It ain't really no sun out, so you really can't see no pearl flipping, no paint flipping, no none of that. But the truck still look good, man. Truck sounding good, truck running good. I need to go put some gas in the truck and all that good stuff. But she looking good, man. I'm just uptown running errands. Uptown running errands. Had to come get some dog food, some wood chips for the chickens, for the dogs. It's getting cold, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I just wanted to give everybody a little slow, clear, broad daylight update of the truck, man, and what we working with. It's dirty. I'm at the car wash. See that? She dirty. But yeah, show y'all the inside too. I gotta retint this thing. My kids pulled all my tint off, man. The door did this, so I ain't gonna blame the front one on them. But yeah, I'll give y'all a good little old inside glimpse. It's kind of dirty right now, man. That black carpet show everything. It ain't as dirty as it look on the camera. But yeah, man, here she is. I got the door panels out too, cause we're gonna fiberglass them. I'm gonna have to give y'all a look at. I already done started it, man, but I haven't finished it yet. But y'all gonna like them. Y'all stay tuned, man. Infinity cap was going in there. Let me pause this music. Pause that music. Yes, sir. Finder in there, been having it for a minute. AC and everything work. All my gauges work except my fuel gauge. I'm gonna do that one day. Sunroof worked pretty good. Headliner sagging like egg. And my sunroof do go back too. Oh, I closed it. Hold on. There you go. It do go back too. So, you know, I hardly ever ride with it like that. I'll give y'all a look under the hood. I'm about to blow off from under the hood too real quick. .3, 4L80, Texas speed, stage 3 cam, Trunion upgrade, Mellon high volume oil pump, showing field headers, MSD wires, poly fuel rails. We got the PSI wiring harness. Got the air motor, fuel pressure regulator with the stainless steel lines on it, all the way down. Done pretty good, man. I just took the breather off, man, the other day so I can clean it, but you know how they go. Speedway. Big Tierra grill. Triple mesh weave. Gen 2. Just a little overview of the truck, man. She sound good. Dual flow master. Stainless steel exhaust, 3-inch, all the way around. Everything look good, man. Everything doing good. We got some upgrades to make. We got to put some suspension on it. We're gonna change the rear end out and everything, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna start this water. I'm gonna blow this thing off, and I'll bring y'all back. Yes, sir. headed to the crib, pearl flipping, roof cock. Just chilling. Ooh, look at that, girl. Let my window down. Let y'all hear that thing. We'll slow down a little bit. Ooh, wait. Y'all see my mirror still broke down.